Hey yo, what's going on guys? Levy Boys back with another video. In today's video we're gonna be riding like normal. See what we could get into and see if we can run into another person with dogs. I mean, they was chasing me down the trail. That shit was crazy. Yeah, like I said, I might be going to Zona next weekend, so probably gonna make a video of that. Put down in the comments down below if you wanted me to make a video of drunk riding. That shit would be so funny. I ain't gonna lie. That would be so funny. Man. Look like the water coming up a little bit. I want to go to a fucking ride park soon, because ride back here is kind of getting boring, because especially whenever we can't ride the whole trail, because you know there's water still up in some spots. I mean, I smell fucking trans oil, bro. I smell different fluid. Oh, I hope my shit ain't leaking. Let me check this hose right here. I don't see nothing in the front there. Oh, bro, what is this shit? Is that water? It came loose again. What the fuck? So the other day, these diff bolts backed out, all four, and this was loose. It's loose now, so let me see if I can try to tighten it back up. Oh, bro. Oh yeah, seals are gone. What the hell? That ain't good. Yeah, definitely got water in my rear disc. I don't know how, or it may be over full. We're just gonna roll home. I mean, I can't do nothing about it right now. Anyway, yeah, we hit this hole last night, I'm pretty sure. Oh, dude, I just realized I'm in my work boots. I gotta chill out. Oh yeah, definitely sunk down. Oh yeah. Yep, that's. Oh yeah. Crawled out that bitch. Doing a little Sunday fun day ride here. Phew. Nice day out here. You know what? I guess I think one of our, oh yeah, one of our buddies, I think got stuck either the first one I just passed up or the second. Can't remember. Yep, coming up on the tire rod breaker hole right there. I don't feel like breaking one right now. All that shit was on the water, so what the hell? I wonder if you can get to the trails from over there. I don't know. Oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh yeah, yep, nope, nope. Hell no, I don't know what the hell this trail is. Looks like a damn ditch. I don't think this is bad at all. Oh, this is bad. Yep, never mind. This is pretty bad. If I had a snorkel, I wouldn't give a fuck about all that deep shit. that. So I hit that hole last night. That's my exhaust tick because it's loose. Oh, I hit that hole last night. Wasn't that bad. I got out a little quick. Got a little slow because all that mud don't sink. Oh, you got to shit. Fucking mud on my glass. To the next spot. I might be going to Zona next weekend. I don't know yet. Might have work, so no telling. Man, I kind of want to build this bike, but man, I just don't want to tear this motherfucker up, man. Oh, she started smoking a little bit. Yeah, a little valve tick. Might adjust the valves. Got no clue where I'm at. Oh my god. Dude, that's deep as hell. Goes a side side. That look like old dude. A tunnel road over here. So how the hell did he? What the fuck? My fucking hand getting tired. Still be up. Hey, feels good over here. Boy, that's a cool ass view, bro. Damn. Hell yeah, man! I would, if somebody gave me the option of give me a new bike, if I send it, I would. I'll send this motherfucker right into that deep ass stuff. Shit, and that motherfucker deep. I ain't gonna lie, this shit sucks. Now we gotta ride on bottom of the levee to the next opening trail that you can go down. Shit sucks ass. Well, this is the end of the video. Made it to the last spot of the, made it to the end of the trail. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment down below if you want more, or if you want me to start posting more frequently, you know. But that'll be it. Love you boys. Signing out. Later.